Okay, welcome back again. So we'll again have this pesticide calculation problem for the Leia. Okay, the question is 3 kilograms of insecticide AB is required for the insect pest in a 2 hectares tomato farm. The recommended rate is half kilogram AI. What is the AI or the percent AI formulation of the insecticide? So we will first identify the given. So we have these 3 kilograms. We have these 3 kilograms. This 3 kilograms is the volume. Okay, volume of the insecticide. And we have these 2 hectares made to farm is, since it's hectare, it's the area. Okay, and we have this recommended rate of half kilogram. So this is our RR. Okay, so based on our general formula, okay, the volume is equal to recommended rate multiplied by area divided by percent AI. Okay. So the missing value is, or what we're looking for is the percent AI. So this one. Okay. Then how are we going to transform it? Again, we will have this cross multiplication to derive the formula. Okay. So the outcome will be volume multiplied by AI uh, equal to RR multiplied by area, okay, by 1, multiplied by 1. But it is unnecessary naman to put 1, so we just delete it, okay. It's the same answer. Okay, so again, since volume has a multiplication sign against AI, if it will going to cross the equal sign, it will transform into division, okay. So AI, percent AI is equal to RR multiplied by area divided by volume. So we will use this formula to obtain the value of AI. Okay? So let me clear the okay. So we'll solve or just substitute the formula. Okay. Okay. So formula is AI is equal to RR divided by area divided multiplied area and divided by volume. Okay? So substitute it. Percent AI is equal to RR is our 0.5 uh, kilogram. Okay? AI per hectare. Okay? Multiplied by our area, which is 2 hectares. Okay? Divided by volume is 3 kilograms. Okay? We will cancel the unit in order for us to obtain the unit of the AI, which is percent AI. Okay? So cancel this one, cancel, and this one, since hectare is the denominator, will cancel this hectare when we are going to multiply it with this. Okay? So the remaining unit is AI. Okay? Because we're looking for AI. Okay, so 0.5 times 2 is 1, divided by 3 is 0.3333, etc. So since the value of AI is on the a percent or has a percent sign or at a percentage value, we'll multiply this by 100 in order for us to get the percent or the actual or the percentage value of the AI. Okay, so 30.3333 times 100 is equal to 33.33%. The answer is letter B. Thank you.